Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and who says swings are just for kids? These swings are from Taeku, and I guarantee fun for the entire family. They're really pretty and will add such a fun element to any space, whether indoor or outdoor. We've mounted these outside on our front deck, and we absolutely love it. It's such a great place to hang out, relax, take a nice little swing. They're very well made and feel sturdy. They're rated for up to 550 pounds. The rope and design is really great. It has a carabiner. We looped it over the top and hooked it in that way, but there's many different ways to mount this. They're also height adjustable, so you can adjust them until they're the perfect distance from the ground for kids or adults or whoever's using them on a regular basis. Now when you first get it, it has a really nice coating on it. Just a warning, if you are going to use these outdoors, that coating will gradually come off, so you're going to want to actually seal them so that they're weatherproof. You also want to take a look at the actual measurements. Sometimes pictures can be deceiving. So we have two different sizes. Personally, I feel like each of them are great for one person. The larger one is obviously going to be more comfortable for adults. It's a really generous space. I'm a little hippie. I have lots of room to spare on this one. The other size is great for adults too. I fit on it just fine, but even better for kids. I really like the nice thick wood these are made of. It has a really nice curve, so they're comfortable. Everything you could look for in a swing. So if you're looking for an element of fun, I think these definitely hit the mark, and that's my point of view.